Alright, so this is the phone theme, and that is the name of the creator. This is a free phone theme, so I'm excited to share with you guys. I have used this before in the past, and this is kind of like the preview on how it looks like, and then this is how the home screen looks like. So this is a all-star type of a theme. As you can see, we have just pink background with pink stars, and I love this. And we just have super pinked out phone theme. So this is the calculator, and then we have the calendar, which just has pink accents as well. And then we also have the alarms, just pink with like a checkered stripes in the background. And then we have the phone. So the phone is also super pink and cute. And then the messaging is like a pastel yellow with pops of teal and of course the pink. I love this cute pink girly keyboard. This is like one of my favorite types of pink, so I really love how this looks. And as for the icons, look like this. They're just kind of like a boxy pastel colors of pastel blue, green, and yellow. The folders look like this, pretty simple as well, and I really enjoy them. And this is going to be our home screen. So I did want to do like a purple theme because of course I have a purple phone case, so I felt like this star, white stars with purple background kind of went well with this theme and kind of put everything together. And as for the lock screen, this is the wonderful lock screen. I'm screaming, guys, because I really wanted to use this one because I love cinnamon roll, and I do have a lot of cinnamon roll stuff, and I felt like it was only appropriate to use this one as my lock screen, and they are so cute and adorable. And as you can see, it is like pastel colors in the background with like purple, just like the stars home screen. And I feel like this is like the perfect match for this home screen, lock screen, and wallpaper phone theme. So if you guys really enjoyed this, make sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!